Hi there, welcome to Saral Gyan. I'm glad to inform you that we are coming up with an exhaustive tutorial series on Matplotlib. This video series complements the text tutorial available on our website. I will leave the link to that in the description below. This series is 11 videos long and we will cover from very basics like installation to advanced options like real-time plotting, time series, etc. So let's jump into it. Chapter 1 Introduction. Matplotlib is a plotting library which is used to generate 2D figures, graphs from data in Python. Matplotlib is extensively used in data sciences as it produces high quality images which can be used in publication also. It can be used in Python scripts, Python, IPython shells, Jupyter Notebook, web application servers, etc. As the official page says, Matplotlib is a comprehensive library for creating static animated and interactive visualization in Python. For the purpose of this video, we'll be creating a new directory and activating virtual environment. Let's do it. Now let's activate the virtual environment. Installing Matplotlib is as easy as doing pip install Matplotlib. Since the Matplotlib library has been installed, we will create our first simple post. I'll be using Sublime Text, but you can use any other text editor too. I have downloaded the age-wise population data from this website. I will leave the link in the description below. The data is in the Excel format, though we can directly read in many file formats and create plot. But since this is our very first plot, I have extracted certain data as list and copied it in my snippets here. Now open Sublime Text. Import matplotlib, and as a general convention we import it as plt. Now we will copy the data from snippets and now we will declare the x-axis and y-axis in plt.plot. And we can plot the graph by declaring plt.show. Now let us run the script. And here is our very first plot. As you can see in the plot, the x-axis denotes the ages and the y-axis denotes the total population. Even the simple matplotlib plot comes with so many inbuilt functions. The pan button here helps to move the plot by panning like this, and left and right arrows will move the plot to left and right, left, right, and then zoom button will help you zoom into a portion, and you can go to the original state by pressing the home button. You can save it as a JPG by pressing on save the figure, and this setting will set the margins on the top, bottom, left, right, W space and H space. Since we have created this plot, we know what x-axis and y-axis denotes, but if someone else will have a look at this plot, he'll be clueless. Adding axis labels and title to the plot will make it more descriptive. We'll go back to the code and add axis labels and title. plt.x label is age, plt.y label is total population, and plt dot title is age wise population of India. Now if we'll plot this, now our plot has got a title, x-axis label and y-axis label, which makes it more descriptive. Moving on, we will plot multiple data. I have total male population and female population for the same age range in my snippets here. Let's copy it to our code. And now we will plot it. Let's plot it. Here Matplotlib has automatically color coded different data, but looking at it we can't tell which line belongs to male population and female population or the total population. We can add legends to the plot by adding label to plt.plot. Save it and plot it. Now oh, I missed something. We have to add plt.legend before plt.show. Now if we will plot, it will have legend for total population, male population and female population. We can also add markers, line styles and custom colors to our plots. You can check out the available markers and line styles from here. The link to it is in the description below. The journal format of declaring it is marker, line and color. For example, in our code, we can add dot hyphen b. Now if we plot it, our total population is a solid blue line with point markers. But this is a bit hard to remember, so you can set all this explicitly also by declaring color is equal to green, line style is equal to dotted and marker is equal to O. Now our plot is like this. Using this method, you can also use full names as we use green here, or the hex string for the color. Color is equal to hash 0080000. See, we have used the hex color green only, so it is same. We can also set the line width by declaring line width in the plt.plot method. Line width is equal to 2, line width is equal to 3, line width is equal to 4. Now our plot has different line widths. This is it for this video. In the next video, we will learn plotting bar charts, and instead of copying pasting the data as list, we will read in the data from a CSV file and manipulate it in terms of sorting, etc., and then plot it as bars. In case of any doubt, leave the comment below. If you have liked this video, there are various ways to support our channel. The easiest one is to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified about the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.